Here's how to file taxes for free in 2026. I'll leave a link in the description to the IRS free file site. It's a little bit more difficult to follow or do by yourself. So I have used TurboTax for over the last 10 years. And if you're filing taxes for free, it's a great guided method to do that. It's been really great for me for filing taxes for over a decade. So what will happen is there's a affiliate link in the description, or you can just go to turbotax.com. The affiliate link will get you 20% off of your TurboTax filing if you do have to pay anything, but about 40% of you will actually qualify for a simple return, which is free tax filing. And so you go through there, sign up, or just sign in to your account, and you'll start on this page, and you say, got it. And then from here, what you want to do is not check mark any of this customization survey question stuff. You actually just want to hit continue and then say that you're comfortable filing your own taxes. That doesn't mean you won't get help. TurboTax guides you through the whole process, but you just won't have like an actual person with you unless you choose to upgrade to that later. We hit continue again, and TurboTax will recommend a product. In this case, it'll recommend the basic free edition, where you do it yourself and you have like clear step-by-step tools to help you along the way. So that starts you off at $0. So you're not owing anything yet. And as long as you qualify for a simple return, and you don't have any special forms you have to do because of extra income or self-employment or anything like that, then you actually qualify and can file your taxes for free. Now, after this, go ahead and fill out how you filed your taxes the previous year. I'm going to say I filed my own taxes, and then I'll hit continue, and it's going to land you on sort of the dashboard of TurboTax. And so from now on, when you sign in, you'll be on this page and be able to pick up where you left off when you're kind of filing your taxes. Now, you can start down here by hitting this blue button, but what it's going to do is on the left-hand side, you can see your 2025 taxes that we're filing in 2026, and you have an info section that you fill out, and then it'll take you through all of your federal taxes, and it'll go through wages and income, deductions and credits, other tax situations, and then you'll kind of review all that before it sends you off to your state taxes, which is in the same place. It doesn't send you anywhere, but that's the next thing it does, and it transfers information over from what you filled in on federal, and then you fill in your state taxes, review everything, and then you finish and file. So like I said, up in price preview, you'll actually see where you're at as far as like the TurboTax product that you're on. Right now we're on the do-it-yourself free edition for $0. So we can stay on that as long as we don't have any extra things with our tax situation that require extra forms. TurboTax will tell you when that happens, and it'll just say you can upgrade to these two plans. And so you just kind of pick the cheapest one as you go along. And like I said, that link in the description will save you 20% on your taxes, and help support this channel as well. Now, if you were already using TurboTax, then in the lower left, you're going to see like a little switch products area. And if you're already on one of the do-it-yourself plans, deluxe or premium, you will actually see a downgrade option where you can downgrade to free and then maybe upgrade later if you need to. If you're on one of the expert help editions of TurboTax, then you'll have to just clear your return and start over, which there's a clear and start over button down here. When you click on that, you can say, I want to clear my tax data. It'll warn you that everything will basically go away and you'll restart from that original screen that we were on earlier, but it'll allow you to go back to filing your taxes for free. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Here in 2026, this is the 2025 taxes that we're filing in 2026. But each year is pretty much similar. That's how we did it last year. That's how we do it this year, maybe next year too, if you're watching this. Same method to get to that free edition. And hopefully this helps you file your taxes for free in 2026 and beyond. Felt like Buzz Lightyear there. Okay, guys, I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.